5 natural deodorants to eliminate bad armpit odor. Did you know that you can get rid of armpit odor and accumulation of sweat with natural deodorants? Armpit odor is an uncomfortable symptom that's caused by the accumulation of sweat, bacteria and dead cells in this area of the body. Its appearance is usually associated with poor hygiene, but it also has to do with hormonal activity and each person's individual habits. While it's nothing serious and can be neutralized, it may cause problems with self-esteem and social stress among some people because they're not able to get rid of it with conventional products. Fortunately, in addition to the commercial deodorants that are available, there are other natural formulas that can help to control this problem. These can be made at home. Fortunately, unlike those made with chemicals, they're very safe and won't produce unwanted skin reactions. As we continue, we'll share 5 great options that you should not hesitate to try if you are dealing with this problem. 1. Cornstarch and coconut oil deodorant. The ingredients that are combined in this homemade deodorant allow you to absorb residue from sweat and bacteria in order to get rid of unwanted odors. Its regular application eliminates dead cells and, by helping with the oxygenation of the skin, benefits the sweat glands' activity. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 50 grams. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 30 grams. 10 drops of essential tree tea oil. 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 2 grams. Preparation: add the cornstarch to a container and mix it with the coconut oil until you have a creamy paste. Add the essential tree tea oil and the vitamin E, and continue mixing. When everything is well mixed, store it in an airtight container. How to use it: take a small amount of the deodorant and rub it onto your armpits. Use twice a day, every day. 2. Baking soda, sea salt and citrus deodorant. Because its formula is rich in antiseptic and antimicrobial components, these natural deodorants are one of the best solutions for the bad odor that is caused by bacteria under your armpits. Ingredients: 2 orange peels, 2 lemon peels, 1/2 cup of water, 125 milliliters. 6 tablespoons of baking soda, 60 grams. 3 tablespoons of sea salt, 30 grams. Preparation: chop the peels of the oranges and the lemons and then boil them with 1/2 cup of water. When it's boiled, let it sit until it is warm. Strain it and then add the baking soda and sea salt. Stir it all together until you have a thick paste. How to apply it: rub this deodorant onto your armpits and let sit for at least 40 minutes. Wipe off any residue with a damp cloth and, if necessary, repeat this application twice a day. 3. Aloe vera and essential tree tea oil deodorant. By combing a little aloe vera gel with essential tree tea oil, you can get a hydrating product that will deodorize and clean your armpits. These ingredients regulate the skin's pH and, because of their microbial components, help to stop the negative actions of bacteria. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons of aloe vera, 75 grams. 1 teaspoon of essential tree tea oil, 5 grams. 3 tablespoons of rose water, 30 milliliters. Preparation: combine all of the ingredients in a container until they were well mixed. How to apply it. Spread the product onto your armpits and let sit without rinsing. Use 2 or 3 times a day to improve your results. Pour apple cider vinegar and lavender deodorant. The natural acids found in the apple cider vinegar, combined with the active antimicrobials of the lavender, help to reduce the odors that are caused by sweat and bacteria. Ingredients: 6 fresh lavender plants. 1 cup of organic apple cider vinegar, 250 milliliters. Water, as you need it. Preparation: put the lavender in a jar and cover it with the apple cider vinegar. Let soak for 10 days and then strain the liquid. Before applying it, dilute the liquid in equal parts water. How to apply it. Soak a cotton ball in the liquid and then apply it to your armpits. Use twice a day, every day. 5. Clay, coconut oil and baking soda deodorant. Another cream deodorant that helps to eliminate the residue that causes bad underarm odor is made with clay, coconut oil and baking soda. These ingredients stop bacteria growth and, with time, also help to reduce the dark spots that form in this area. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of white clay, 10 grams. 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 20 grams. 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil, 30 grams. 5 drops of essential mint oil. Preparation: pour all of the ingredients into a container and mix them until you have a creamy, homogeneous paste. If necessary, moisten the ingredients with a little water. Store the product in an airtight container. How to apply it. Take the necessary amount of deodorant and apply it to your armpits. Let sit for 45 minutes and then wipe away the residue with a damp towel. Do you continue to suffer from bad odor in this area? Try making any of these deodorants and make it a problem of the past.